When I was small, the world felt wide. Dreams were stars that lit my sky. Running barefoot, chasing time. Didn't know how fast it flies by. Growing up, it's a journey we all take, with every smile and every mistake. Learning to fall, then learning to rise. Finding the truth behind all those skies. Oh, growing up, it's a